to this tutorial where we'll be learning how to create navigational menus. Now, just so you know, the navigational menu is this right here. This is the top navigational menu, and MyRestaurantTheme also has support for a bottom navigational menu right here. And the way you would go about creating such a menu is going to your WordPress dashboard, clicking on Appearance and then Menus. And this is your menu administration page right here. First of all, you have to create a menu name, and we'll just call our top navigational menu Navigation Top. Then you'll press Create Menu right here. And as soon as it's created, you'll see a new tab right here. Once it is created, you'll be able to add new menu items to the menu. So basically, if you have a category that you want to include, for example, the news category, which we want to include, you would place a check mark right there and say Add to Menu. This is our news category. For a tutorial on how to create that, you can go ahead and have a look at that tutorial. And you can also add existing pages that you've created, for example, the sample page, or you might have an About Us page. You can add to menu, and it will be added to the menu automatically. And once you have multiple items here, you can actually reorder them or define their hierarchy by just pulling it to the side a bit, and that will make it appear as a sub-menu. But I want this to be a main menu. And you can also add custom links. Now this comes in really useful, for example, when you want to create tiered menu cards, for example. And if I quickly go back to, you open a new window and go back to your WordPress dashboard to the menu cards section, you'll remember that we created these menu cards already. And let's say I want to create a navigational link to the main menu card that I created. I would just simply press View, and through that I will have the URL of this menu card, and I just select it and press Copy, or you can press a right click and copy, go back to the Menus administration screen, and right here where it says Custom Links, you would modify the URL field and just delete what's right there, and Control V will paste the URL that we copied. And you can also add a menu label that will appear in the navigational menu, and we'll call this Main Menu. Then you have to press Add to Menu, and you can see now that it is saved. I'll also create sub menus for this main menu, and once I do that, I'll be able to add a hierarchy just by pulling it to the side a bit, and also change their order if I want to. I want the soups to be first, entrees to be second, and beverages to be first. Now it's very important that you save your work. And once your menu is saved, you'll need to go to Theme Locations right here on the left side of the screen, and where it says My Restaurant Navigation, you'll need to click this field, and you'll see Navigation Top. This is the menu that we just created here. So you'll need to press Navigation Top and save. And that will effectively specify that this menu that you created right here should be placed at the top navigational menu area of your theme. And if we go and have a look at our site right now, you'll see that the news page is added, the sample page is added, and the main menu along with the hierarchy has been added. Now if I wanted to move this menu over to be the second menu element, I would just go back to the Menus administration page and just basically pull this sample page down all the way to the bottom to reorder it, press Save. And once it's saved, if I go back to my website and press Refresh, main menu is now the second menu element, and all of the sub-menus are there. If I press Soups, it'll go to the Soups menu card. If I press Main Menu, it'll go to the Main Menu card. And if I press News, it'll bring up my news feed. Alright, so thanks for watching this tutorial, and make sure you watch all of the other tutorials as well. Bye.